How's it going, guys? So today in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna build our own antenna for mining HNT. So this specifically is gonna be 8 dBi directional antenna. So I watched this guy on YouTube. He's basically showing you all the steps that needs to be done, and I'm thinking, let's try it out. Why not? And we can compare this antenna with my original antenna that I bought from Neykov. So let's see if this really is going to give us more HNT, better coverage. So first thing that you guys need to do, and at the same time it's gonna save you money, because one of these antennas are like 100 bucks. Right now I'm gonna build 2 antennas for around 20-30 bucks. So first thing, you guys need to get one of these sheets. If you guys get the bigger one, that's gonna be better, because building 2 antennas, actually I grabbed 2 of these guys. This one right here is from Home Depot, and let me show you if you guys want to get the same exact one, so you guys can scan it. So if you guys want to get like 12 by 48, so it's like double the size. I think that's gonna be cheaper, I'm not sure. This piece is like 13-14 bucks. Yeah, it's 15 bucks. So okay, so first thing is you guys need to cut something like that. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, I have 2 small squares and then 1 big one. That's why I grabbed the other sheet, so I can get the second plate. So let me show you. So the first thing is this square here. This square here is exactly 6 1/4 by 5 3/4. So that's your first square, that's your back plate. So let's do this. Okay, so we have the 2 back plates for the antennas. Put that aside. Now we're gonna cut the big one. Oh, big one is the size. It's a square, and it's a 9.5 all the way around. So okay, now I need to cut one more for my second antenna, one of the back ones. So again, this is gonna be 9.5 by 9.5. Okay guys, so this is the back and this is the front. So it's gonna face like that. For these 2 little guys, okay, so this is the longest side, which is 6 1/4. We need to measure center of the 6 1/4, and then from the bottom up, just a 1/2 inch. And we need to do a small hole so we can run the cable through it. So let me show you how we're gonna do that. Okay guys, so I'm using a 1/8 drill bit. So let's do the hole. Like I said, the longer side, which is 6 1/4 from here to here. Center it's 3 1/8, and then 1/2 inch up. So we've got the hoses drilled. Now we need to mark the center of the back plate. We don't need to mark, I mean, we need to set up the front plate to be in the center of the back plate. So let's see. Okay, so let me show you. This is how basically it looks like. You guys need to mark all 4 corners, the bottom, and where basically the hole is, you know, so we can bend the cable up. So now I have these cables from Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys if you guys want to try out and do this project. Okay, so we need to save this end right here because this one is going to go towards the bobcat or the miner, and then this end is the end that we're going to cut. Let's see, we're going to cut. Now we need to strip, I'll say maybe 1.5 inches. Let me show you. So first I have the outside insulation twisted, so this is gonna go to the big plate. We're gonna solder this one to the big plate, and then this guy right here is the one that we're gonna bend and solder to the small plate. Grab my solder and a little bit of flux. Now the next step is I have this wood piece, again Home Depot, that cost me like $1. This is the barcode. It's exactly 1 foot panel long, and I measure 1.5 inches all the way around, so it's 1.5 inches by 1/2 inch thick. So let's cut that real quick. Okay guys, you guys can see 1.5 inches by 1/2 inch. So I got some glue as well if you guys want to get this one, or you know, whatever glue that you guys have, it will still work. We will set those little pieces in the 4 corners, but not too close to the corner. Roughly it's going to be around 1/2 inch in. So 1/2 inch in this way, and then 1/2 inch this way. Okay, so you guys can see something like that. So now I'm gonna put some glue. Okay. Now once again, I'm gonna go just like that. I'm gonna try to be as good as we can. Don't forget to bend your cable up. Okay guys, and now we're gonna solder the center cable in the back. I mean in the front, the little plate. And we have one done. Let me show you so you guys can see the antenna. There you go, you guys can see one of the cables is soldered to the bottom plate, and then the other one, you guys can see the middle, the center cable is not touching the bottom at all. There is insulation right there, you guys can see, and then it goes to the hole and it's soldered right here. Now we're gonna flip it. We need to measure center and center. Okay, so 4 3/4, 4 3/4. That's your center. So this is again from Amazon. It's a cheap camera mount with 1/4 inch stubbed out. So the idea is, you know, we can mount it and then we can swivel it, you know, left and right, whatever we want. I have 2 1/4 inch nuts, and it's basically gonna screw in like that. Screwing the nut in and gluing it all the way down with the base. Boom. Okay guys, now I'm gonna let it dry. Then I'm gonna go and mount this antenna. I'm gonna, you know, assemble this guy here as well. And you guys need to wait for the next video where I'm gonna show the update of my earnings. So yeah, if you guys wanna do the same antennas like me, you know, this DIY antenna, I'm gonna put a link down below, you know, for you guys to buy, you know, whatever that I use in this video, you know, except the stuff that Home Depot, you know, you guys can get, you know, those from Home Depot and, you know, stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Ooh, and don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Bye.